My name is Helen. I am a mother. I am 58 years old. I live in a small house. The house is in a quiet village. The village has green trees and a blue river. I have 2 children. My son is Peter. My daughter is Sarah. Peter is 30 years old. Sarah is 28 years old. Long ago, the children were small. They lived with me. We played together. We ate together. We laughed together. I cooked for them. I cleaned for them. I helped them every day. Peter said, "Mother, I love you." Sarah said, "Mother, you are the best." I felt happy. I felt needed. Now the children are grown. Peter lives in the big city. Sarah lives in another town. They work hard. They have their own lives. I live alone in the house. Every morning I wake up. The sun comes in the window. Birds sing. I make tea. I sit at the table. The other chairs are empty. I clean the house. I sweep the floor. I wash the cups. The work is the same. No one helps. In the afternoon, I go to the garden. The garden has red flowers and yellow flowers. I water the flowers. I pull the bad plants. Soft wind moves the leaves. I think of my children. I think, do they remember me? Some days a letter comes. Some days a short call comes. Peter calls. He says, "Hello, Mother." I am busy. I work long hours. I say, "I understand. How are you?" Peter says, "I am fine. I must go now." The call ends fast. Sarah calls. She says, "Mother, I am tired. Work is hard." I say, "Rest well, my daughter." Sarah says, "I will call again soon." But soon does not come often. I feel forgotten. Days pass. I cook food for one person. I eat alone. The house is quiet. No voice, no steps, no laugh. At night, I look at old photos. Photos of Peter as a small boy. Photos of Sarah as a small girl. They smile. They hold my hand. I remember the old days. Peter ran in the garden. Sarah drew pictures. They said, "Mother, look at me." Melancholy. Those days are gone. Seasons change. Summer is hot. I sit under the tree. The tree gives shade. I drink cool water. Autumn comes. Leaves fall. I sweep the path. Winter comes. Cold wind blows. Snow falls. The house feels cold. I put wood in the fire. The fire is warm, but my heart feels cold. One winter day, I become sick. My head hurts. My body is hot. I stay in bed. I call Peter. I say, "Peter, I am sick." Peter says, "Oh, Mother, rest. I am busy with work. I will call later." I call Sarah. I say, "Sarah, I feel bad." Sarah says, "I am sorry, Mother. I have a meeting. Take medicine." No one comes. I drink water alone. I eat dry bread alone. I feel more forgotten. I think, I am their mother, but they do not come. A neighbor helps. Her name is Lisa. Lisa is kind. She brings soup. She sits near me. Lisa says, "Helen, where are your children?" I say. They are busy. They live far. I feel alone. Lisa says, I am here. You are not fully alone. Lisa comes for many days. I become well again. Spring comes. Flowers grow. Birds sing loud. I plant new seeds. I water them. A small cat comes to the door. The cat is gray. The cat is thin. I give the cat milk. The cat stays. I name the cat Soft. Soft sits near me. Soft purrs. Soft makes the house less quiet. But I still miss my children. I write letters. I write, Dear Peter, I miss you. Please visit. I write, Dear Sarah, I miss you. Please come home. I send the letters. No visit comes. One day it is my birthday. I wait. I make a small cake. I sit at the table. No call, no letter, no visit. I blow out the candle alone. Soft sits near me. I feel sad. I say to Soft, I am a forgotten mother. More days pass. I go to the river. The water moves slowly. I sit on a stone. I watch the fish. I think of the past. I remember nights when Peter was sick. I sat by his bed. I remember days when Sarah cried. I held her. I gave many years. Now I wait. One sunny afternoon, I sit in the garden. Soft sits on my lap. The sun is warm. I hear a car on the road. The car stops. Two people get out. It is Peter. It is Sarah. My heart beats fast. Peter walks to me. He carries flowers. Sarah walks to me. She carries a bag. Peter says, Mother. Sarah says, Mother, we are here. I stand up. Soft jumps down. Peter hugs me. Sarah hugs me. We hold each other. Peter says, I am sorry. I was busy. I forgot how much you need me. Sarah says, I am sorry too. I thought you were fine. I did not see you were alone. I say, tears. I waited. I felt forgotten. Peter's eyes are wet. He says, You are not forgotten. We love you. We were wrong. Sarah says, We come to stay for some days. We want to help. We go inside the house. I make tea. We sit at the table. The chairs are full now. Peter tells me about the city. Sarah tells me about her work. I tell them about the sick days. I tell them about Lisa. I tell them about Soft. They listen. They look sad. Peter says, We will visit more. We will call more. Sarah says, We will not forget again. In the evening, we cook together. We eat together. We talk and laugh a little. Soft jumps on their laps. They smile. The next days are different. Peter fixes the fence. Sarah cleans the rooms. We walk in the garden. We sit by the river. Lisa visits. She is happy. She says, Your children are home. This is good. Peter and Sarah stay 1 week. On the last day, they say, We must go back to work, but we will come next month and the month after. I hug them. I say, I am happy. You remember me now. They leave, but the house feels different. It feels full of new care. Letters come often. Calls come often. 1 month later, they visit again. Then again. Sometimes they bring small gifts. Sometimes they just sit and talk. I still live in the small house. Soft is with me. Lisa is near. But I am not forgotten. One evening, I sit in the garden. The sky is pink. Soft wind moves the leaves. I think of the lonely days, the empty table, the quiet nights, the sick days alone. Then I think of the hugs, the sorry words, the visits. I feel warm. Motherhood is long. Children grow. They go far. Sometimes they forget. But love can come back. Care can grow again. I and Helen. I am a mother. My children left me alone for a time. They were busy. I felt neglected. Now they remember. Now they come. Now we share days again. The village is quiet and green. The house is warm. My heart is light. I am not the forgotten mother anymore.